Hello guys, welcome to my channel Booming World. This is my first video and in this video I am going to review Boat Stone SpinX 2.0 Bluetooth speaker. A very good speaker from Boat with an extra bass. So let's get started. So this is the speaker box, and on this side this is various specifications are written: Bluetooth 4.2, true wireless function, dual 6-volt driver with dual passive radiators, up to 8 hours of playback time, aux or SD card slot, rugged design, 360-degree sound, etc, etc. And on this side the manufacturing details are written, and in this side the contents of box: Boat Stone speaker, user manual, micro USB cable and an aux cable. So the speaker box is very good. Aryan is on this box. So let's open the box and let's take out the speaker. A protective cover is given. Let's take out. It's very good to hold. This is the passive radiator which is providing bass to the speaker. It has a Boat logo. It's very good to hold in hand because very rugged design, I can say. So you can see what are the other things in box. A USB cable for charging your speaker. You can use a 5-volt 1 ampere adapter, an aux cable. You can use it to connect directly to mobile phone or laptop. This is the user manual. It's written how to use, and this is the warranty card. 1-year warranty on board product. So keep these things aside and let's come back to the speaker, because it's a very special speaker. We can see how it is built, a very nice build quality. And this is the port where the charging port, aux cable port and the memory card slot is given. You can put 16 to 32 GB SD card there, and a bicycle mount or a tripod mount is given here. You can screw the speaker to that mount, and a space to put a vent. So this is the passive radiator. There are two. It's a very nice speaker. So I will show you guys a small audio sound quality demo. I am shooting this video with my mobile phone, so you can hear only a part of the speaker's sound or audio quality. Let's hear it. So let's connect the speaker to a mobile phone. In your Bluetooth settings you can see Boat Stone SpinX 2.0. Click on that and the speaker will get connected. You'll hear a beep sound from the speaker showing that the speaker is connected and we are ready to go.
Isn't the best place to find the lovers at the bar is where I go. Find the man on the jukebox and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. Send that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Something, baby. I'm in love with your body. Body. I'm in love with your body. Body.
So it's a very good speaker with high bass in this price range. I really like the speaker. I hope you guys like this video. So please put your comments, and if you guys like my video, please share. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.